Maggie, today is the day we have been dreaming of since the 6th grade.
Love stories like Gunnar and Maggie's deserve to be told, I feel like, because they're very rare and don't happen every day.
I remember when we were in junior high and middle school, and you used to always say that we were going to get married.
They were 11-year-olds. 11-year-olds don't know anything, but they knew that they loved each other.
Today isn't just about a wedding, it's about a decade of memories, growth, laughter, and a love that has only gotten stronger over the years.
But you guys are just so special. You've changed my life in the way that you love. Your guys' faith has always been an example for me. When I was shaky in my faith, you guys were stable. You guys showed me the real foundation, which is Jesus. And you guys just reflect that so well. You're a radiant light. Every room that you walk in, you just reflect Jesus. And to just be a mirror of Jesus is such a blessing to this world, not just the people in this room.
It's so sad that she's losing my name, but if she's gonna get a name, the Bratton name is as good as it can get in my heart.
Let's get married!
Welcome to quite possibly the most important event Stillwater has ever seen. We are so grateful that you're here.
I think God gave Maggie Gunnar at such a young age because I think Gunnar had enough on his plate just trying to get his pants on every morning.
Now Maggie, from the very beginning, you've always made Gunnar a better person. He's always happier when he's around you. You bring so much joy into every room that you're in. You're steady, you're kind, you're so loving. Our family loves you so much. We're so excited to welcome you to the family, even though it's already felt like you've been a part of the family for a long time.
I love that you have such strong faith. I love that you're so intentional. You're so good at everything you do, and you love so well. I mean, there's nothing to not be proud of, you know? I mean, you're everything a mom could want from a daughter. And I'm so happy for this moment, but I'm also so sad. But I know that Gunnar and you have loved each other forever, and he takes such good care of you. You guys are gonna have a beautiful life. I love you. You're the best. I love you. And I'm gonna miss you being in my house. Even on the rough days. Even on the other days, you know. Oh my gosh. I love you. Gunnar's gonna die. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Maggie, you are beautiful, kind, intelligent, patient, and none the least an incredible disciple and daughter of the Lord. The Lord is so good, and I'm so grateful that He has given you to be my wife, because I get to see a piece of His heart and beauty through you every single day.
Couldn't be better. Could not be better. Watch the dress. Watch the dress. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The buttons. That is the most.
Oh my goodness, so pretty. Wow. Oh.
I'm proud of every bit of who you are, to be honest. I can't. Last night as I got to speak, I could have gone on forever, to be honest. I'm like your example of, and you're like a parent to me. I'm not kidding you. Like you help guide me in my life, and I know you and Gunnar together are gonna be like perfect for each other, you know? You're gonna continue guiding me, and I can't wait for everything you guys are gonna, do together. I'm glad to give you to him, but I'm sad,
Yeah.
But you're not going anywhere, so.
No.
Oh, I love you. I love who you are. Oh, this is a perfect day. I'm so excited.
Oh my god. You look unbelievable. Oh my goodness. Look at you. You're beautiful, Maggie.
We gather here today to celebrate the union of Gunnar and Maggie and their two incredible families. Maggie, your faith, joy, and strength has always touched those around you. And Gunnar, your belief, ambition, and perseverance, those things make you a true partner in life and faith. Together you embody the love described in the scriptures, selfless, enduring, and God-centered. As you enter into this marriage, may these qualities guide you in building a home filled with the love and light of our Holy Father. I now pronounce you husband and wife. Gunnar, you may kiss the bride. Friends and family, it is now my privilege to announce to you for the very first time Mr. and Mrs. Gunnar Bratton.
We attribute a lot of our relationship and our love to all of the people that have built us and the people around us, so we're really, really excited to celebrate with you.
We do want everybody to be out on the dance floor with us and just have the best night ever. We look forward to this since we were 11 years old. So let's make the most of it and enjoy every moment.